अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आप देख रहे हैं अदब ज़िंदगी यूट्यूब चैनल। वीडियो को देखने से पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए और साथ में लगे घंटी के बटन को दबाना ना भूलें ताकि आपको नई आने वाली वीडियोस मौसूल होती रहें।
Hi TikTok, my name is Malala Yousafzai. I'm 23 years old and I'm a girls education activist. Some of you might already know me. You might have heard my UN speech, my Nobel speech, or might have read my book, I Am Malala, while some of you may not know me yet. So I'll introduce myself briefly. I am a recent graduate from Oxford University. I like shoes, comedy, reading books, and I also do campaigning and advocacy for 12 years of safe, quality, and free education for all girls around the world. And on Giving Tuesday, when you might be deciding to support different causes, I ask you to support Malala Fund and help us ensure that all girls can go to school. In return, I will answer some of the questions that you send us today. So donate now, and I can't wait to hear from you.